Yeah, it's gonna be part 2, I guess, of this toolbox install. As you can tell, I've got the majority of it riveted in. Riveting something in onto or into something is not hard to do. Just keep in mind, aluminum lid, aluminum box, aluminum hinge. Need to use an aluminum rivet. Not to get into the whole science thing of 8th grade and what have you, but dissimilar metals do not like each other. If you'll notice, there's a good spot. Cross member runs across. Now, the main beam of the trailer is steel, the deck's aluminum. See this black stuff right there? The two metals will interact with each other in not a very good way. So, the last thing you want to do is put a metal rivet in aluminum, and then it corrodes itself, and you end up with a hint or your door falling off. I'm gonna try and do this one-handed, which is not going to be very easy. Most of you already know how to do this. So anyway, you can kind of figure you're gonna grab the two handles and pull them together. I think I might be able to do it. Oh shit, I can't. Hang on. On a side note, we got it all riveted. Whether you're buying a trailer or renting a trailer, these fuckers grow legs and walk off. These sometimes do, but these, I've been buying these some bitches. I buy 4 at a time. I've been doing it about every 3 months for the last 6 years. So, for what it's worth, I guess you call that a pro tip. Always try to keep extra on hand. These go in the 5/8 pins that go in the center rail to hold your ball stands down. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program, maybe. Alright, well, it's not mounted per se, but it is. It's up in its place. That's where that one will live. I broke a drill bit, so I've got to go get another drill bit. And so the hole that they put in the bracket is actually bigger than the bolts that they use. I don't know if they pre-drill the shit or what, but I was going to reuse their hole, so I figured everything doesn't quite line up right, so that's how I broke a drill bit. Was trying to half-ass it. So there's a saying, it takes twice as long to do something wrong as it does to do it right. So since I don't live just down the road from town, tomorrow I'll go get drill bit and right bolts and such, and I'll go ahead and use stainless bolts in there. Because the stainless and aluminum won't interact, or they interact with each other, but not quite as bad as the grade 8 bolts that I had bought originally, which is right there. Right there. So anyway, that's, and if you notice how much lower that one is compared to that. So what I'll do is I'll use that jack. I'll jack this up, get it square, and then I'll re-drill holes and mount it so it's looks right. You know, all the other toolboxes are mounted up flush to the deck. Yeah. Then 3. Same way. Now what I did notice is this. That's the normal sticker that comes on the Shipshe trailers. All the boxes, that trailer's got it, that box has got it, those 2 on that side. But check out that sticker. That one's a little different. I like that sticker better. Of course, that one advertises a little bit better, but I like that sticker. And that's just little shit that caught my eye. This trailer is a 20. And I believe so was that one. $21. So, but I've never seen. This is just me rambling. I haven't seen that sticker before. So, anyway, as always, y'all be safe, y'all be good.